greedy dog. Once there was a dog. The dog was very hungry. He searched for food everywhere. At last, he found a bone in front of the meat shop. He picked the bone with his mouth and started going back to his house. There was a bridge on his way. When he started crossing it, he saw his reflection on it. He thought that there was another dog in water too with a bone. He wanted to get that another bone too. When he opened his mouth to bark, the bone fell down into the water. The greedy dog has lost his bone. Moral of the story is we should not be greedy.